Welcome to the project Wire Open Loop Alerting System. So in this project we are demonstrating a wire loop alerting system. If at all the wire loop gets open circuited, automatically we get audible alerts through buzzer alarm. So in this project the main heart of the entire system is a comparator board. So to this comparator board we require 5 volts of power supply to the entire circuit. For this we are using the regulated power supply board. So this is a regulated power supply board wherein using 230 to 12 volt step down transformer we are giving 12 volts AC, and this AC voltage is again converted using full bridge wave rectifier based on AC to DC converter, and using ripples. To remove the ripples we are using the capacitor, and using the regulator we are providing 5 volts DC, and this 5 volts DC is given to the comparator board. And this is a comparator board. Here we are using LM35 comparator board wherein the inputs are given from the open loop. So you can see here, this is one open loop circuitry and this is one open loop circuitry. This is fed as input to our comparator board. So whenever the comparator always checks the voltage, so it checks with the reference voltage using potentiometer, and whenever the open loop occurs, the voltage reference voltage will be varied. So once it gets varied, the comparison becomes high. So the output we get through as high signal. So this high signal is fed to buzzer. So here we are using piezoelectric buzzer, which is again using a transistor. We are going to switch the piezoelectric buzzer. So when we get a high signal from the comparator, the buzzer gets switched on. So in this way we are getting the audible alerts through buzzer alarm. This system can be used in the farming. Whenever the open loop circuitry happens in the wiring, automatically we get buzzer alarm. In this way we can make the corrections as early as possible. So we'll check the input. So you can see here the power supply circuit has been switched on, and now it is under perfect mode. So the wire looping is under perfect section. So if you detect the open loop, that means once we have detected the open loop of the wiring, so you will be getting the buzzer alarm. Once it gets closed, the audible alerts get stopped off. You can check for the second one. When the second wire loop gets open circuitry, we will be having a buzzer alarm. So once after rectified, you can see here the audible alerts get turned off. Thank you.